We promise we're not selling anything.
We asked the question and you answered it, and now it's time for us to deliver.
I know everyone says it with every competition, but it was really, really close. Last month, we announced our $3,500 Supercheap Auto Workshop Upgrade competition. And whilst we had so many great entries, we narrowed it down to these 3 young motorsport guns. Ash, Jess, and Matt.
I don't think we could have decided without your help. So thank you for getting involved and helping us pick a winner.
Ultimately, you have decided, and it's time to give someone the good news.
Let's call him.
Hey!
Surprise!
You know, this is a big surprise actually. I was expecting Molly Spaulding.
Yes, well, we did have Matt and Molly help us to run a covert operation.
You've been betrayed by them.
Well, congratulations.
Yes, we're not calling you, just to clarify, to tell you haven't won.
Sorry, yeah.
Just to clear that up very quickly, congratulations. You are
Yes.
the very lucky winner. But also, extremely deserved as well. Like, it
Exactly.
was so hard, mate. Like, the 3 of you guys, if it was down to us, I think we'd still be going around and around in circles. Thankfully, though, the people have spoken.
I'm over the moon. And look, like I said to Matt, even in the event that we didn't win, the outpouring of support on the post was just such a amazing reminder of the wonderful people around me, be it like rally, drifting, friends and family, Scouts Victoria, like they all came and backed me, and I was over the moon with just that alone. So I'm feeling very privileged.
Legend,
Thanks,
mate.
Matt. Well
Thanks
done
so
again.
much. Cheers.
See ya.
Bye.
How good is Matt?
I know. I mean, look,
Such a nice guy.
I feel like all of them would have
Yeah.
been gracious in their receiving, but he's a humble guy. He's just clearly loved by a lot of people, and makes me feel very good that the prize is going to him.
Yeah, me too. He, you know, as you say, all 3 of them would have such use and value out of this, and are all deserving. But ultimately, it has to go to one person, and so it feels really special to be able to do something like this and be in the position. You know, we've had so much support from Supercheap along the years, so to be able to kind of pay it forward and sort of expand that out across more of the motorsport community is also it's a really special thing. So I hope we can do more in the future, but this has been really fun.
Yeah, the way we're going to be able to do more of it in the future, if people like and subscribe, because then we get lots of, you know what I mean? Let's keep it going.
Yeah.
If we get enough people that love this video, we'll be able to do it again.
Yeah.
And maybe next time you will be the one that's the lucky winner of the prize.
All right, let's go and get this stuff out of our van and give it to Matt. It takes me a bit longer to get it off. Before we deliver this stuff to Matt, just wanted to show you what he's going to be getting.
51-inch tool cabinet with matching top and a whole host of tools to fill it. Spanner sets, 1/4, 3/8 and 1/2 inch ratchet sets, socket sets of all varieties including Torx, hex, deep sockets and more. Allen key sets, pliers, circuit pliers, as well as consumables and organisers every workshop needs.
And then our favourite selection of 12 and 18 volt power tools, the most beautiful torque wrench there ever was, plus a workshop cart, modular storage and travel cases to complete any true motorsport kit.
I think this is a really, really good, it's not, I was going to say this is a good start. It's not, this is like several steps down the line from a start. This is game-changing stuff. He doesn't get the van, but we are going to need that. Let's tie it all down and take it to one very deserving young man.
I'm excited.
Speaking of excited, are we excited?
We're excited. Old mate in here is excited.
We're all excited, all 3 of us, because we're about to give away the gear. Let's do this. We promise we're not selling anything.
Hi, how you doing? Congratulations.
How are you, mate? Good.
Congratulations so much.
Oh, not at all. Well done, well done.
It was the perfect timing because I was just like, oh, it's almost 4 o'clock, so I'll go open the side gate. And I didn't even hear the doorbell go. Dad's like, can you come inside? I'm like, why?
Surprise!
You're the least suspicious person in the world.
I know,
You never ever actually suspect anything's going on. Mate, it gives us great pleasure to turn up with a van load of tools. Well done. Where would you like?
Yes.
In the shed.
We can do that. Let's do that.
Let's go and look at the shed.
Oh, amazing. It's the dream. Workshop and a gym.
as well.
Well, the cabinets will look amazing in here.
We were saying on the way here is like we're excited for you because we hopefully know how excited you will have been knowing that something's turning up today. Does it feel a bit like Christmas? Like
Christmas, yes, but also like with a little bit of unpredictability. Ask any of my family members who felt sick for a couple of hours just, watching the clock.
Oh, really? Amazing. I tell you what, like selfishly, I had so much fun just shopping for it. It was just the most fun. It was like, what are these? What are these? What are these? What are these? And just went out of control. So I hope you like our curated selection.
all right. Well, the important thing here is you've got a dodgy knee. You've got that.
Dodgy, yeah.
The only person left to do any actual manual labour is this idiot. So let's get on with it.
I can contribute a little bit.
Oh wow!
I'm not going to stand and watch. This is my baby.
Oh yeah!
I know you've got some experience with Lancers. Just had a brand new roll cage put in it that we made.
Yeah, right.
Lovely.
New limited slip differential.
Ooh.
But it doesn't like its drive shafts. It's snap-on at mitter at the start of the year.
Okay.
Are they the stock shafts?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's always thinking that when you get a proper chunk of something mechanical, it just makes everything else weak around it.
Got to be
and
one
then just starts
link at the end, yeah.
So you just need good shafts, and then you'll be blowing hubs and bearings, and then on it goes.
It just gets more expensive, doesn't it? We went all year on a stock driveline last year, and I was like, cool, time to step up, do some improvements, and I've started breaking things instead.
It's so good, mate. Well done. Well, hopefully, looking after this little beauty is going to be a bit easier now.
This is going to be a really unflattering angle of me being videographer.
Hey.
Are you
Hi,
excited?
Daniel, how are you? That's it.
See how she's laid over the feet? That means you're not allowed to go anywhere.
She locked me.
I'm sure my physio would love me.
That's the, oh, that was so good. Oh yeah.
Molly, you've literally carried everything in today. How are you feeling?
This is my contribution.
Before today, Matt, you had, the basics. But now what we have is basically half of Supercheap Auto right here. We've all been there, like myself as a young, impressionable mechanic, and Molly is, trying to get her first rally car together. We all know what a difference it makes. Like it's such a cool day when you get your first such a good set of tools. So this is going to give you a massive step
Well,
up.
I mean, obviously very well deserved, and the effort you put into your videos, and then I mean for us, just the overwhelming support in the community. I mean, we knew we were going to struggle picking a winner because all three of you are so awesome and have such awesome stories and so passionate about the sport and giving back. But yeah, the people spoke, and they spoke very highly of you. So
I wasn't going to make it easy for you because, Jess and Ash were great competition.
yeah,
All both equally deserving, and I'm just feeling very grateful that you guys chose me. So I'm going to make sure these are lifers, and then I'm going to look after them, and they're going to come with me everywhere.
we're confident they're all going to get put to very good use and do good things. So that's all we ask.
And now for the best part.
For Matt to set up his new space.
The plan for today is to start arranging the cabinet in the corner, plugging in some tools to charge, and really just breaking down what I've been lucky enough to win. It was a bit surreal on Wednesday afternoon. It's really sinking in now. It's really cool. So let's begin. Spent some time unpacking and organizing. It'll probably change as I use it because then I'll find out what I use the most, and that'll probably make its way towards the top of the cabinet. But let me walk you through it. The cabinet's made its way into the corner. We've got our 12 volt Tool Pro on the left. We've got our 18 volt Tool Pro on the right, and our Tool Pro X torque wrench in the middle. We've got our socket set, screwdrivers, Allen keys, pliers, circuit pliers. Nice and close to the power tools, we've got our power tool accessories and our drill bits. And we've got our spanners. And then I've got the consumables in the thick drawer down here. All right, check out this storage set. It's on wheels, and then these boxes all have watertight seals. So another really cool opportunity to take the foam inserts, and then I can do shadow boards in there as well. Stoked. This Pelly case looks absolutely fantastic, and it has its foam in it already. So these are in layers, so you can cut them to have shadow boards for your tools as well. This is where I'm at the moment. Made heaps of progress, and it's awesome that it fits in the corner. I think I underestimated how big it actually was going to be. Really, it's set in now. I'm unbelievably privileged to have this opportunity to have this in my life. So thank you.